Comes.
Must be a South Pole.
Unbelievable. Oh, here he comes again.
Silverback's watching over it.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. See if he does that again. Nope. That's right. Come on, dude.
Finding football.
Good view, Walt.
You see that?
Well, Silverback is bad.
No. Well, maybe that one is feeling a little jealous. Yeah.
She's on the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, did it again. Yeah.
Take out the kind of frustration that I went through.
Ooh.
No, he's not. But he doesn't chase him. Hi, Cuba. You're not mean. She'll come and do a food.
He had
You get frustrated with everybody but the eaters. He was like,
I want to take.
oh yeah.
Daddy, I wonder if you ever.
I think it's faithful, isn't it? If you just want to. I used to like kind of get angry and annoyed, frustrated. It's like, I would have been so patient. And he's more just like, please him, but not with whole face and so
What's that?
That's something they give them for them to make that aspect. Yeah, there should be something in there. You can tell like feelings so the food comes to you.
Start a fight with my brother.
Whoa.
Oh, you're gone. You're so lucky.
He said they fight.
I ain't frustrated because I can't feed you.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay.
He's good. He's fine. Armon, ayos na Armon. Ano na yun?
So we just spent like 30 minutes at the gorillas, and there's a ton of good stuff to see, but you don't get to see gorillas jumping at the glass in front of you very often, pounding their chest,
And
very
flipping you off.
flipping you off. That did happen. I don't know if we got video of that, but that was one of the coolest experiences I've ever had at a zoo. Thanks for watching this episode of Board Shorts. If you like what you saw and you want to see the full adventure, you can find that right here. If you're not subscribed and you want to be, you can do that right here. Also consider giving this video a like, sharing with a friend, or leaving a comment. Thanks again.